Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do unboxing again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Come join me. Oh, I love how they have it like this. The plastic. You can reuse it. Vince Camuto. It's a new color. Nice. Vince Camuto. I don't really know that brand too much. Very nice. Dual zip. And sling crossbody bag. I think this is just a fashion one. Yeah, it's unbranded, but it's cute. Looks like a vintage one too. Nice. And we have a Tommy Hilfiger wallet. It's brand new. It's Bloomingdale's, from Bloomingdale's store. Another cute one. I don't know how you use it, like this, or maybe like a wristlet. Next box. This one, it comes with desk bag, kind of desk bag. It's just one in the box, I think. Yeah, or 2, 3. I'll guess. It's like a small shoulder bag, wristlet too. Shoulder bag, wristlet, I think. Yeah, this is removable. Guess. I don't know if that comes with this. I think it's a whole set. This is nice. Huh. This is so nice. The clasp is magnetic. Like that. Tote bag, but I think you can reshape it or something. How nice it is. And it has 2 zippers on the side. It comes with another wallet, zip around wallet. Guess too. It reminds me of one of the Hermes bags. There's one, Victoria's Secret. It's like a travel bag. Tote travel bag with removable strap. Victoria's Secret. I think this is all Victoria's Secret. Yeah. Another Victoria's Secret. Big tote bag. Another one. I try to source different brands now, because I think people are getting what do you call this? That's nice. Another Victoria's Secret. This is so weird. And another one. Nice. This one is Betsy Johnson. I think it's for laptop. And this BB two-way bag on my type. And Tommy Hilfiger backpack. Next one. This one, MARC JACOBS. I like the color. It's like mustard, but pale mustard color. MARC JACOBS. This one is, I don't know, MZ Wallace. I don't know that brand, but it kind of looks like Prada. Huh. Big one too. I didn't know whatever was in the box, because I get this is Calvin Klein. I love this. Nice. Calvin Klein. I didn't know that I was gonna get different brands today, because I get boxes every day, constantly. So I didn't know which ones are coming. This one is Kate Spade. In pretty used condition, but oh well, still usable. It's like a clutch. This one is a duffel bag. Tommy Hilfiger duffel bag. It's new with tag. Nice. I guess that's it. No coach at all. Well, alright guys, that's it for our unboxing today. I will have some more next week. So please, if you enjoyed this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe, and please comment down below if you like anything from this batch, and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Take care.